Hello guys, welcome to Concept Video. My name is Nandvardhan Reddy from Informational Technology of bearing roll number 2095181248. Today's subject is design analysis and algorithms. Today we are seeing about types of techniques in algorithms. Let's go into the topic. Following are some of the main algorithm techniques is brute force or exact search, divide and conquer, greedy algorithm, dynamic programming, branch and bound algorithm, uh, randomized algorithm, backtracking. Okay, let's discuss one by one. Wha- First of all, what is mean by algorithm? An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve problem. A good algorithm is to optimize in terms of time and space. Different types of problems require different types of algorithm techniques to be solved in the most optimized manner. There are many types of algorithms, but most important and fundamental algorithm that you must know will be discussed in below. First, first brute force algorithm. This is the most basic and simplest type of algorithm. A brute force algorithm is a algorithm is the straightforward approach to a problem. That is the first approach that comes to our mind on seeing the problem. More technically, it is just like iterating every possible available to solve the problem. For example, if there is a log of 420, the digit to be chosen from 0 to 9, then the brute force will be trying all possible combinations one by one, like 0001, 0002, 0003, 004, and so on until we get right way. In the worst case, it will take 10,000 tries to find the right combination. Worst case, okay? Here, divide and conquer. Divide and conquer. This is divide and conquer algorithm. In divide and conquer algorithm, the idea is to solve the program into sections. The first divide the problem into sub-problems of same type. The second section is to solve the similar problem independently and then add the combined result to produce the final answer to the problem. The following problems can be solved using dynamic programming algorithms. Maps and weighted job scheduling followed file and foiled voice and the algorithm. Here we have link. You can directly go to the website. You can check all this. Okay. You can see by clicking on that. You can see what is written in this. Okay. All this we can see. Introduction to DOS, algorithm, divide and divide. That they involves dividing the problem into smaller sub-problems until some solve sub-problems by calling the cursor until solved. This combines the sub-problems to get the final solution of the whole problem. The following is standard algorithm that divide and conquer algorithm. Quick start, must start, closest pair of points, stays in active algorithm, code, a string sheet, all this. Okay, this is about the uh, divide and conquer. Next, we go for greedy. In greedy algorithm, the solution is built part by part. The decision is to choose the next pair is done on the basis that is given the immediate benefit. It never considered the choices that had taken previously. The following problems can be solved using dynamic programming algorithm. Abstract problem weighted jobs scheduling filled workflow algorithm. For this, by clicking on this, we go to this website. Okay. We greedy algorithm, data succession algorithm, this all this will be shown. Okay. For example, this fraction abstract problem, standard greedy algorithms, activity selection problem. All these greedy algorithms in graphs will be shown. This is all about the greedy algorithm and dynamic programming algorithm. This type of algorithms is also known as memorized technique because in this idea is to store the previously calculated result to avoid calculating it again and again. In dynamic program, they divide the complex problem into smaller over overlapping problems such as strong of results for future use. The following problems can be solved using dynamic programming algorithms, abstract weighted job scheduling. All these are examples of dynamic programming algorithms. Dynamic program algorithm. These all are dynamic program algorithms. Okay. For example, if we write the simple recursive for Fibonacci series, all these are recursion, dynamic programming, linear topics, basic concepts, all these advantages, this by mistake, ugly numbers, Fibonacci numbers, centric Calcon number, all this will be written on this. Okay. Dynamic program. This consists of dynamic program. Next, branch and bound. Branch and bound is the algorithm design paradigm which is generally used for solving combinations optimization problems. These problems are typically exponential in terms of time complexity and require explore all possible permutations in one step. The branch and bound algorithm technique solve these problems relatively quickly. The following problems can be solved using branch and bound algorithms. 0-1 abstract 8 puzzles problem, n-pinch problem, planning salesman. All these are solved by using branch and bound algorithms. These all are branch and bound algorithms. Okay. All we see here. Okay, what is meant with branch and bound? Data branch and bound is an algorithm design paradigm which is generally used for solving combination combinational problems. These problems are typically exponential in terms of time complexity and may require explore all possible permutations in large case. The branch and bound algorithm techniques solve the problem related to let us consider all the 0-1 axon parameters and branch and bound. Here we have there are many algorithms by which the max of problem can be solved. Greedy algorithm, the direct programming solution for 0-1 action, backtracking. Let's see backtracking approach to solve the 0-1 action problem. The backtracking solution can be obtained if we know a bound on best possible solution. Subtree rooted with every node. The best is subtree is worse than current best. We can simply ignore this node and this is subtree. So we can compute bound for every node and compare the bound with current best solution before exploring them. Example bounce user in below diagram are down can give $315, B down can give $225, C down can give $225, and D down can $125, and E down can $30. These are branch and bond techniques. Okay. We shall the 01 problem. And then problem. Next we go to randomized algorithm. In randomized algorithm, we can use a random number. It helps to decide the expected outcome. The decision to choose the random number, so it gives the immediate benefit. Example: some common people that can be used through. So the randomized algorithm or quick sort. In quick sort, we use a random number for selecting a pivot. Next, we backtracking. In backtracking algorithm, the problem is solved in an incremental way. That is, it is an algorithm technique for solving problems successfully by trying to build a solution incrementally, one phase at a time. Using those solutions that fail to satisfy the constraints of the problem at any point of time. Some common problems that can be solved through the backtracking algorithm are Hamilton cycle, M coloring problem, N-Prince problem, Latin maze problem, etc. Let's see this backtracking. Okay, in Greek part B. Backtracking. See this. The backtracking is an algorithm technique for solving problems because of by trying to build a solution incrementally one piece at a time. Meaning those solutions that fails to satisfy the constraint of the problem at any point of time. But time here is referred to time left till reaching any level of the searching tree. For example, consider the following problem: we try filling digits one by one. Whenever we find the current digit cannot lead to solution, we remove backtrack and try next. This is better than now approach. Generating all possible combinations of digits and then trying every combination on level. When it drops a set of permutations and read that. See here. Here we can keep 3, then we should keep 3 here or here. Okay. In that way, we should every square this white box is green box. Every box should contain 1 to 9 numbers, but that number should not collapse with the same number in same row or same column. Okay. This is about backtracking. Then we'll go for next one. Okay, this is all about backtracking. This is all about brute force, divide and conquer, greedy approach, dynamic programming algorithm, branch and bound algorithm, randomized algorithm, backtrack. Okay, thanks. Thank you very much.